Hi friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have professional data for you. These are Facebook timeline cover volume 1 and volume 2. I will be uploaded soon. So first I show you these designs of cover. Facebook cover. Here is a good idea. Make successful business. You can replace your image or you will just your logo, example, email, website. Okay. Wow. You can change everything, every color, every shape. Wow. New style shoes sale. You can adjust your image here. Yeah, and you write your title, you write your website address. Special day sale, quick, perfect, end of the month big sale. So replace your image here and waiting new collections. Your creative business takes place here, or you can write your details, or you provide 45% off. Replace your image here. Furniture, new sale, modern furniture. Okay. Wow. And this is a simple cover, just background a color. You can take gradients overlay or background a photo. Holiday packages. Okay, you write you adjust your logo here. Men 70 plus. Okay. And last is here you can adjust your photo and change background color and can apply gradients overlay 30% disc. So first I show you drag to Photoshop CC, and you see here in layer area main text discount shape image background. So first I change image, then I click on image folder, extract, replace your image, double click here and open any image for replace. So I select this image and drag here. Wow. Enter Ctrl S for saving. Close this file. Double click here and you see enter Ctrl S, or you can more move for adjust. Okay, so you can adjust your image here, or you can write any your title. For example, I write my channel name, Sheri Sk. Okay, you can download this font on any website. Get free graphics, graphics files on my website. Okay, you can write anything. You can write your email, WhatsApp number or telephone number. Here is your domain, so I write here my domain, but I have no this font. Okay, so the Sheri Sk. So you can visit here. Wow. And you can change any shape, color. Double click here, look like her dress color here, or any background thing for color, just for color matching. So or you can apply gradients overlay like this, or last you can apply any image for background. So drag here. Now right click, create clipping mask. Our opacity is 38 on 38, 34. So you can make more better. So I close this file and open any other file. Wow. So this template for sale, enjoy any on extra 30% off. You can change any text, any background, any image. Replace your image here. For example, this Control S. I hide this, Control S, and you see here you can change background color, or can you apply any gradients overlay. Wow. So I added any other files like this. Drag on Photoshop. Here you can adjust your image here and here like this. Good idea, make successful business. So you need about business related photos for here, and I know you better know. Like this, Control Shift. I think she's Buddha. You see behind the symbol of her religion. Okay, Control S. So I adjust these files. Control S for saving, and you can more adjust. Okay, change color like our dress, and here change color. Okay, wow. So you can more edit. Okay, I close this file and open last file. I know you have no time, and use every time say where are password or videos, so you can watch deeply for password. Replace your image here. Here you can adjust two images. Double click here and open any photo. For example, like this. Flip. Enter Control S. You can adjust. Wow. Okay, and you adjust image here and create apply gradients overlay like this. Wow. Okay, and password in this video or in video. Okay, I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.